Welcome back, Biscuits. I feel like it has been ages since I have shot a cleaning vlog, although I know that's not true. Just feel like a lot's been going on. So I'm just doing a really quick power speed clean of a few areas in the house that needed some touch-ups. It's not a deep, super deep clean. It's just about, sweeping dirt up, scrubbing some bits on the stove, and getting everything tidy enough to where I feel like, okay, I can sit down, I can relax. Because, I don't want to sit down and relax in the evening if I know the house is a super big mess. I will. Sometimes I will just let the mess lay until the next day to know that, I don't have to obsessively go clean. But whenever I do just a little quick speed clean, it makes me happier. So I'm using two different cleaners in today's video. One is a nicely scented one that I use for my dining table and for countertops or sink tops in the bathroom. And the second one I use, it doesn't smell as good, but it cuts through grease better. And so that's the reason I'm using it on the stove, because the stove gets the splashback from cooking oil and food bits that are oily. So I really want something that cuts through a bit more grease. They're both relatively natural, but they definitely have a lot more additives than if I just made my own cleaning solution. But I've been into good smelling things late. It's just been my obsession, and so I'm going with it and spraying things that smell pretty darn good to me. Thanks for coming along, Biscuits, and loving and always requesting these cleaning videos. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, and make sure you ding that little bell next to my channel subscription just to make sure you're actually seeing when I post. Until the next video, you are more than welcome. I would love it if you go check out all of my fun merch. It's linked down below in the description box, and it makes me so happy when I hear from you that you really loved a t-shirt or that you're using a mug that I designed. It makes me so happy. I will see you in the next cleaning video. See you around, Biscuits.